Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable untrusted font blocking in Windows 10. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar. Click Edit Group Policy. Click Computer Configuration. Click and expand Administrative Templates. Click and expand System. Click Mitigation Options. Open Untrusted Font Blocking. Check Enabled. Select Block Untrusted Fonts and Log Events. Click Apply, OK. Close and exit Policy Editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.